In this Photoshop text effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a vibrant flaming text effect. First, go to File and create a new document. Click the color picker and choose the black color. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click Create. Select the horizontal type tool. Go to window and choose the character. Click the color picker and choose the orange color. Just copy these settings. Close the character and click on your document and type out your text. Go to the Layer panel. Right-click on the text layer and choose the Convert to Smart Object. Select the Move tool and position the text in the center. Select the Curvature Pen tool and choose the path. Click and drag to make a path, and this is where our flame is going to go. Once I get to the end, I can just press Escape on the keyboard to reset the pen for the next path. Now I'm going to repeat the same process for the remaining letters. Press Escape on the keyboard to reset the pen for the next path. I will speed this part up to save your time. Create a new layer. Go to Filter, Render and choose the flame. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Right-click on the image and choose the Delete path. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Brush tool and choose the Soft Round Brush. And the opacity 100%, flow 100%. Click the foreground color and make sure the foreground color is black. Hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of the text layer to make a selection around the text. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. I can paint with black in areas where I want my flame to hide through. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Remove selection, go to Select and choose the Deselect. Select the text layer. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select the bevel and emboss. Click the highlight color picker and choose the white color. Click the shadow color picker and choose the black color. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the black and white. Click on the clip to layer icon. Decrease the reds to 13, yellows 31. Press Ctrl-I to invert the layer mask. Click the foreground color and make sure the foreground color is white. And the opacity 50%, flow 100%. And paint here at the top and bottom and the edges. I will speed this part up to save your time. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the curves. Click on the clip to layer icon. Click to add point in the highlights area. Set the input current intensity to 205, output new intensity to 200. Click to add point in the shadow area. Set the input current intensity to 60, output new intensity to 45. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the solid color. In the color picker, choose dark red color. Right-click on the color fill one layer and choose the Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl-I to invert the layer mask. And then, I can paint with white to reveal some of that red. Make sure the foreground color is white. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. And reduce the opacity to 60%. Select the layer 1. Create a new layer. Click the brush picker, choose the soft round brush. And set the brush size to 10 pixels. And the opacity 100%, flow 100%. Click the foreground color and choose the white. Select the pen tool. Click and drag to make a path, and this is where our highlights in the text is going to go. Once I get to the end, I can just press Escape on the keyboard to complete that path. Now I'm going to repeat the same process. Click and drag and create a path. Press Escape on the keyboard to reset the pen for the next path. I will speed this part up to save your time. Right-click on the image and choose the stroke path. Make sure the brush tool is chosen. And click OK. Right-click and choose the delete path. Go to the filter, blur, and choose the Gaussian blur. Increase the radius to 3 pixels. Change the blend mode of the layer 2 to linear dodge. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Uncheck the transparency shapes layer. And click OK. Click the add layer mask icon. Click the foreground color and make sure the foreground color is black. Select the brush tool and choose the soft round brush. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. And erase the extra highlights. I will speed this part up to save your time. Select the background layer. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the new background. And position the background any way you want. Turn off the new background. Now, I will do it again one more time. Go to File, choose Place Embedded and place the new background. And decrease the opacity to 30 to 20%. And this is the result.